Hey, what's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope wherever you're at this Friday afternoon and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having some of the great weather like we're having here in Tucson, Arizona. It is an absolutely beautiful day. And now that we got the weather forecast out of the way for Tucson, let me show you what we have here on the Traeger and then a quick video of what we've done here today. That is a Louisiana Alligator, along with some pork sausage and some ribs. We actually bought that gator from creolefood.com out of Louisiana. It takes about 2 days to get it to you. That's a medium-sized alligator, and I want to say the price was $150 and another $100, and I think the cost of shipping was around $110. So it's going to cost you about $250 depending on where you're at to ship your gator if you buy it. And then just a few slides after this is going to show the recipe. It's not going to show the processing, so I'm not going to show you if we seasoned the gator or anything like that, but I'm going to share the recipe. I'm going to share a few of the websites that we pulled some of our information down and where I was looking at research on how to actually get the gator seasoned and onto the Traeger. I will tell you, if nothing else, it is a blast getting this thing ready to go. That's probably the most fun I've had over the last 24 to 48 hours, to be honest with you. This is a lot of fun to do, and if you're ever sitting there wondering to do it or not, I tell you, it's a great time just to do it. So what I'm waiting on now is waiting on some friends and family to come over, and I want to capture their reactions of seeing it on the grill for the first time, and then I want to get their feedback on how it tastes, and we'll post that here at the end of the clip as well. But I do share the recipe, a few other clips just to make the video a video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please hit like and subscribe. And if you do your own gator, please post some comments and some videos down below, and enjoy. We'll let this sit for 24 hours, and then tomorrow we will put this on the smoker. And see how our first gator turns out.
24 hours later.
And I got this dip that I'm gonna make, and okay, we ready?
Okay.
It's the first look. It's the first look of the gator. I want natural reactions. Natural reactions.
Wait. Now he wants a chair.
All right, you ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
It's a bacon gator.
Oh,
that's so cool.
What do we think?
Yeah, that's a winner, dude.
Hey, they didn't do that in Costa Rica, did they?
See?
He's smiling.
I told you he smiled at you.
Now we get to see how it... No, it comes skinned. It comes with the head and the skin on the feet. The feet are attached, and the feet have skin, but everything else is skinned already.
Check out Facebook. It's all well documented.
It's all well documented. It's pretty cool, huh?
Wow, that's crazy.
Marco's about to die with hunger.
Get a bucket.
Why? Because we'll
Somebody
probably
will throw up.
Oh!
All right, you got the tail, Randy? Hey, you got the tail?
I get the tail.
Okay, all right.
Cheers.
Let's get...
I know, I'm afraid. I'm scared. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, hey, wait.
What?
So before we eat, this is for Randy and Renee's 1-year business ownership. We're gonna celebrate with Gator and ribs.
Nice.
All right, how is it? Let's do the taste test.
Here we go. I need to put it on now.
It's tender.
Tender.
Chicken.
Tastes like chicken.
Doesn't taste like chicken.
How is it? Marco?
Good.
Diane?
Good.
Good? How is
It's
it?
not fishy or anything.
Not fishy.
Doesn't taste like alligator.
Got all thumbs
Tastes
up?
like an alligator.
Good.
All right.
What about you?
Taste. It passes the taste test. Javian. Javian said he's not dealing with it. Hey! All right, let's eat.